You might know that every brawler in the game belongs in a trio, besides some that are still lonely, but did you know that trios also have trios? They recently confirmed that trios go in groups of 3, and with the Trophy Road rework, we can see that each part of the Star Park has an icon that represents a group of 3 trios. For example, the gift shop trio shares the same place as these 2 trios in the town square. There are even more examples, but then we got many incomplete brawler trios. So if you do the math, this brings to a total of 45 trios, which means that after the 100th brawler, we will need 35 more brawlers to complete this entire map. But what comes next?